The armed forces of the Russian Federation and Ukraine reported the front-line progress in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes continued in some places June 3rd. In Kupyansk direction, aviation, artillery, and heavy flamethrowers of the Zapad Group of Forces inflicted fire damage on the units of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, AFU, close to Dvurechnoye, Krakhmalnoye, Berestovoye, Kharkov region, and Novosyolovskoye, Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, actions of two sabotage and reconnaissance groups of the Armed Forces of Ukraine were thwarted near Sinkovka and Timkovka, Kharkov region, said Igor, Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. During the day, up to 90 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 tank, 1 motor vehicle, and 2 Grad MLRS vehicles have been destroyed in this area. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman, said in total, the armed forces of Ukraine lost 432 fighter jets and 236 helicopters, 4,452 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems, 9,361 tanks and other armored combat vehicles. Also 1,110 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,984 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,624 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the Armed Forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 3 said Russia lost 560 servicemen in a single day, including 10 tanks, 12 combat fighting vehicles as well as 32 artillery units and 28 drones. In total, Moscow lost 209,470 servicemen since Russia have been launching full-scale aggression into Ukrainian territories. Another update. U.S. representative officer satisfied with Ukraine's readiness ahead of counteroffensive. The U.S. administration believes that together with allies and partners, they have adequately provided military assistance to Ukraine for conducting a counteroffensive, National Security Council spokesman John Kirby said on June 2. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky said, "No point in attending NATO summit if Ukraine not given the signal. If we are not acknowledged and given a signal in Vilnius, I believe there is no point for Ukraine to be at this summit," President Volodymyr Zelensky told the Wall Street Journal. Zelensky also spoke up about Ukrainian counteroffensive. "We are ready for the counteroffensive," President Volodymyr Zelensky said in an interview with the Wall Street Journal released on June 3. "We would like to have some things, but we can't wait," he added. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 465 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.